Hello everyone, this is Elvis Tavares. In this moment I am presenting step 2, the recording from the task 7, the final activity. The course is phonetics and phonology. I'm going to start with the first part, that is the reading. Emotions are states or feelings that are often intense, last for only a short time, and are clearly directed at or caused by someone or some circumstances. Positive emotions include joy, pride, relief, love, and compassion. We must share positivism and joy to others by always trying to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. Minimal pairs: cat, bat; white, wise; right, road; kite, night; take, stake; cut, cut; pin, bean; teal, peel; teach, peach; day, pay; dig, pig; deal, peel; duck, back; date, bait. The other part is toll, call; tool, cool; tape, cape; tote, coat; town, gown; tie, guy; tap, gap; tool, goal; tag, gag; table, gable; tin, thin; tell, fell; ton, fun; tick, Vic. Let's talk about intonation. Statements with one stress: she works; we laughed; it stopped. Statements with two stresses: Tom is reading; Mike is sleeping; the car stopped; the weather has changed. Statements with three stresses: children like to play; the boy is reading a book; the weather is going to change. Statements with four stresses: she wants to buy a new car; he wrote the letters very quickly; the teacher told her students a story. Statements with five stresses: Alex wrote the letters very quickly; Victor is going to London next month; Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special questions: falling intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. What's your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General questions, rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions, rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it? Excuse me. Will you try to do it today? Okay, I got it. Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag questions, falling or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Commands fall in intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request rise in intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences fall in intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, rise in intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating, rise in intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. And to finish the video, let's go with responses. I can. She is. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. My name is Elvis Tavares. See you next time. Bye.